loosen my drag right after getting it. Oh, nice one. Look at that. Woo, that's gonna make a nice video right there. Okay, we're about to go with the jig and some sand shrimp Procure gel on here. Turn on this underwater camera. Hey, welcome back, you guys. I got some good news here. Hold on a second. Let me do some hair checking. All right, in 3, 2, 1. Hey, everybody, we're back. Just got some good news for everybody. Like I told you, I'm going to help you catch more fish. One of those things will be hoping to get you guys discounts on all the products I'm using to help you catch more fish. So the good news is I'm now working with Procure. We guys got you a 20% discount if you go into my YouTube videos, into the description or into the comments. You'll see that I've got links posted to the particular scents that I might be using in that video. For instance, in the squid video, I'm going to have this squid smell. Let's pop this thing out of the box in case you can't see it because of the box. You can't see it anyways. I can't green screen anything. So I'm going to have to put this down and then green screen this stuff. So we got the Procure squid. We got Procure sand shrimp. I've got egg smell. I've got all the different smells in my backpack when I go fishing because I always switch it up depending on what I'm going to target. Now, one of the coolest things about this is you can put this, you can get the gel or the oil, you can put it on your lures, you can put it on your flies, you can put it on your hoochies, your hooks. I like to put it on my yarn. I like to get the oil or the gel will go on the yarn pretty well. The oil soaks in a little bit better, but if you take a few minutes, you can get that gel to dab in there, no problem. These are both gels. My oils are over there. But hey, I just wanted to let you guys know I'm going to do some videos on more testing of all this stuff. Check out the links in the egg cures. They've got really good additives. You guys know the nitrate, sulfite and stuff like that. That's where I get my stuff, is from Procure. And they also have some really killer dyes to try out. So I have some links in there. I'll put them in the description of this of some killer dye that you should try out. Instead of getting the other cheap dyes at the store, I'm going to try Procure stuff. It's got the right color. I'm pretty sure of it. I trust those guys. I've been using it for years. So have all my friends. Hope to see you guys on the next one, and get your discount promo code in the comments or the description and save money, catch more fish. Have a good one. See you on the next one. Oh, I stepped on it. Next to me catching them before. First cast. Fish on, man, fish on. First cast with the garlic smell. Procure, you guys. It's swimming at me quick. This right here. This was the ticket. First cast after being here tossing my eggs all night. Woo!